Paprika Tasty Radio, live vanaf GreenTech.
We are in our series from Royal Brinkman. We are talking to different specialisms and specialists within Royal Brinkman. And right now I'm sitting in the stand of a DryGair. I'm sitting across from Ziv Jaquet. Do I say that right?
Perfect.
Okay, so first of all, you are one of the divisions of Royal Brinkman. Can you explain a little bit about DryGair? What is DryGair? What does it do?
Okay, so happy that you are here, and hello to everybody that listen to us. DryGair is a dehumidifier. It is dehumidifier that built and designed for agriculture. We are the only one that designed for this, and we have specialties in this in many crops.
So what kind of crops do we have to think about with DryGair?
Anything that is in greenhouse or indoor is for DryGair. Vegetables, herbs, leafy greens, flowers, all the flowers, and of course cannabis. Everything that is sensitive for humidity and have issues with the heating and the places. They can save energy.
So what is so special about DryGair? What makes it unique?
Okay, so we have patent they developed in Israel by the Volcanic Research Institute. It's like your Wagening, but is the Israeli one. And we have few methods of how we condense the water from the air efficient way. In Europe, we condense with 1 kilowatt 4 liters of water. And the other thing is, this is the efficiency, and the other thing is the way that we circulate the air. We have a patent about the way that the air is even in all the place, in all the facility, in all the greenhouse. In the corner, in the middle, in the other side, you get the same condition of temperature and humidity. And this is why we prevent the dew point. By preventing the dew point, we're preventing the conditions for all the spores to develop. And then you don't have to spray. You don't have to spray, less work. Less works, less chemical, a lot of other benefits. We also have a lot of research that show a better yield. So you can get more for your square meter. More vegetables, more flowers, and of course, saving a lot of energy. More than 50%.
More than 50%. How is that possible?
Well, really easy. All the idea is closing your greenhouse, seal it, put your thermal screens, and then by not ventilating and keeping all the energy inside and taking the water from the unit. We talk about 48 liter at 80% relative humidity, 18 degrees. It's a lot of water. And all the energy stay inside. So this is the benefit. And now, when the world is also moving, also in Netherlands, when you speak about light pollution, when you have to use the thermal screens, you must use the DryGair dehumidification for this. This is the most efficient way to do it.
Sounds like a very clear story, Ziv, I have to say. So in what markets are you active? Like, are you active in a lot of countries?
We work worldwide. Netherlands is with the Royal Brinkman, one of our biggest market, because the industry is developed. People know about energy saving, people are aware about it, and they see the potential. But we work worldwide, all North America, even in Vietnam we have units. Any place in the world that has a closed environment, greenhouse or indoor, they need to use DryGair, and we are there.
That sounds amazing. So Ziv, do you have a final thing you want to say to everyone listening right now? What should they know about DryGair and why should they choose for DryGair?
So first of all, they have to choose the right solution for them. What we have is also a team. We have Brinkman team, we have a team of agronomists, team of specialists that know how to escort the customer, answer the question, can give the best recommendation based on questionnaire that they have to fill. And with all this information, we can recommend what they need and how to operate. And also important for us, not just to do the sales, but to be part of the grower and make sure that he's operate the system in a good way, that he get the maximum for the unit. And this is we do with the team, and this is why we are specialized in this, different than others.
Amazing. Okay, Ziv Shaket, thank you so much. You're from DryGair, and DryGair is one of the divisions of Royal Brinkman here live at the GreenTech in Amsterdam. Thank you so much for your expertise.
Thank you very much.
And then next on, you will hear some other specialisms from Royal Brinkman. Stay tuned for that. And for now, I want to thank you for listening to Paprika Tasty Radio.
Dit is Paprika Tasty Radio.